passive income. Sounds cool, right? I mean, you don't have to do anything at all. Everything is working 24/7 on autopilot. Or isn't it like that maybe? And basically, how do you get started as a beginner with a passive income? Are there more than just one idea that you can get started with to make a passive income online? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 passive income ideas for beginners that you can get started with as soon as today actually. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so there is actually a lot of ways that you can make a passive income online. So I thought I would share actually 5 which I consider is probably the easiest and the best one to get started with as a beginner. Now, passive income, as I said in the beginning, sounds really nice, and it is, but be aware that there is actually some work involved in the beginning, of course, because you do need to set up this passive income. But the beauty of it is that when you have set it up, it works really on autopilot. I mean, you wake up, you notice that someone on the other side of the planet has purchased something from you. This is the beauty with the passive income. And of course, a lot of other benefits here as well. So with that being said, make sure you stick till the end here, pay attention, watch the whole video of course, so you don't miss out on any important information on these 5 passive income ideas I want to share with you here today. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is that you can actually get started with e-commerce, drop shipping. Drop shipping means that you don't have to deal with shipping anything at all. And selling e-commerce, you can sell products online in overall. A very popular platform to do this is Shopify. So you just go to shopify.com and you can quickly see here, you start your business journey, you sell everywhere. So basically they have covered everything you need to get started with your e-commerce here. This is an online platform, so you have to put up, of course, the products there, the photos and the description and the prices there. So you can have your own e-commerce store with Shopify. A really nice way platform, probably the most popular one also, I would say, to get started with it. You can see that there is actually a free trial here. Have a closer look at it if this is something that interests you to get started with making a passive income online with, of course. Alright, let's move on to the next passive income idea, and that is selling Kindle books. It's really super easy to get started these days. Create a Kindle book, upload it on Amazon, and of course sell it there. So here it totally depends if you have an expertise in something. Let's say that you are good in weight loss or something like that. You can create your own Kindle book and actually get started and sell it. But it's not only about the weight loss, it can be anything at all. It can be a fiction or whatever. I don't know, as I said, what you're good at writing. But Kindle books is definitely a popular passive income idea that you can also get started with. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is actually selling photos and videos. So what you do is, if you're passionate with photography, you take pictures of course and you can sell them online. How do you do that? You go to a platform like this. This is Fope, for example, and you can see here, if you go for the creators, sell your content, you can see here time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So how it works, you upload your videos and photos and you earn money. When a brand or an agency or just anyone who finds the work outstanding purchases a video or a picture, and they share the profit 50-50 with you. So here the initial work is actually taking pictures, and of course recording videos with your smartphone works just fine, or if you have a more professional camera you should definitely use that, of course. And then you upload this on platforms like Fope, but there is also other opportunities. Just to give you a quick idea, we have iStockPhoto.com, there is Shutterstock, and a lot of other platforms as well, so don't rely on just one platform only, but put them up on 2 or 3, or why not even 5, or let's say 10, and you have them there, and whenever someone wants something they purchase it and you make a commission of that. So definitely another great way to make a passive income with photo and video, of course. Alright, let's move on to another passive income idea, and that is to create and sell online courses. I have actually created 2 to these days. The first one is Daily List Profits. You can see here it is about email list building, affiliate marketing. I show you how you can get started to make $100 plus per day. And the second one is Audio Video Mastery, where I show you how you can create audio and video productions like a pro. Now it might require a little bit to set this up on a platform like Warrior Plus, like I had set it up here. But what you can do is you can go to a platform like Udemy.com. They have thousands of courses here, so I mean really I think they covered most everything. So don't let it scare you that you haven't come up with the idea first, because the people are uploading on a daily basis here, okay? And you can see that you can make some serious money online. Look at this, for example, an entire MBA in course. 28,000 people has actually enrolled in this course, and it sells for $10. So I hope you can do the math here real quick. 22,000 here for $10.99 again. So have a look at it. Actually, it's super easy to get started with Udemy.com. You just create a course here and you upload the course more or less, so you don't have to deal anything but with creating sales page like I did here on my courses. There are also some other platforms, and that is Skillshare, another very popular platform, and of course Teachable.com. These are probably the 3 most popular platforms, I would say. So without having to deal too much with creating sales page and stuff like that, you can get started with this. But another route, of course, if you want to go this route, you can create your own sales page. You can upload it on your own membership site, your course there. So definitely a great way to make a passive income online. Create and sell online courses here. Okay, let's move on to the final one, and that is affiliate marketing, which is also my favorite method. That's why I created the Daily List Profits here. Now, affiliate marketing, what I like about it is that you more or less have to actually grab an affiliate link for a product that you want to promote, and basically you need to drive traffic to that link. You don't have to deal anything with creating the product, shipping or anything like that, and you earn a commission. And there is tons of ways that you can make actually drive traffic to the links here. 2 of the most popular platforms is Amazon, and we have ClickBank here. Amazon, they have millions of products to promote. I actually did a video, you can have a search for it here, that I go in detail on how to start with Amazon's affiliate marketing. What I like about Amazon is that they do have a 24-hour cookie, which means that if you're interested, let's say for example in this camera, you see my link, you click on that link, you purchase the camera, but you also want to purchase something else, let's say for example this watch here. I will make a commission of that too. So that is the 24-hour cookie and the beauty of it. Okay, I mean, you can see some crazy things that you say you have never promoted these products, but you still earn a commissions of them. And basically there is about the digital products which is very popular, that is ClickBank. It is one of the easiest way to get started, especially as a beginner. You go just to the marketplace here, you can see all these categories. There is the health and fitness, probably one of the most popular, but you can also get started with Go, for example, like home and garden, languages. It depends a bit on your hobby and your interest here actually. One product that I like to demonstrate on is Ted's woodworking plan. So you see here, this is a very popular product, and every time someone purchases this, they make $55.87, I'm sorry, in commissions. And all you have to do is grab the link here, you generate the Hope link. Now this is an ugly one. I shared in other videos on how you can use a link shortener like a Bitly or something like that. And how you can drive traffic is you can go to really simple, just go to YouTube, and let's say that we type in Ted's woodworking review. You can do a review product about it, and I can just guess that probably most of these they have. Look at this. This is, for example, an affiliate link here, and you can see 79,000 views. Okay, so about woodworking plan, Ted's woodworking. Don't buy until you see this. This is a tiny URL. You can see this is basically an affiliate link also, but just have a quick look. Okay, it is some text, some slides there, and a description, of course, and you can see 29,000 views. I can guarantee you that this user has definitely made some good commissions on this video. So you can do this video, you can do the exact same thing actually about Amazon products. Let's say, for example, that we go for this camera here. So by just doing, let's see here, if I go for Canon 90D, you see here there are tons of review products, and you can see this tool that I use, TubeBuddy. It says here that it is, let's see, there you go, a very good keyword to rank for. Or let's say, for example, that we go for Ted's woodworking review. So if I just open up TubeBuddy here, look at this, it says that it is a very good keyword to rank for, which means that there are a lot of possibilities that we are going to rank high actually here, and of course the more people will see that video, and we have more chances to make money in commissions and affiliate commissions there. Alright, so there you have it about these 5 passive income ideas for beginners that you can get started with as soon as today actually, if you want to. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, as you probably are since you have arrived to this video, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at right when we have finished the video here, of course. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.